Good morning. Today we study type 2 particular integrals. We know that if phi of x is exponential, that is, if it takes the form e power ax plus b, then we treat it as a type 1 particular integral and approach is replace d by a. This is the approach. If phi of x is a trigonometric function like sine ax or sine ax plus b, or cos ax plus b, or the product of sine and cos or cos and sine, then we treat it as type 2 particular integral. If phi of x is exponential, we treat it as type 1 particular integral and we replace d by a. If phi of x is a trigonometric function like sine ax or sine ax plus b or cos ax plus b, or the product of sine and cos or cos and sine, then we treat it as type 2 particular integral and approach is replace d square by minus a square. Replace d square by minus a square and rest is same. If the denominator is 0, you multiply the particular integral by x, keep the numerator as it is, differentiate the denominator with respect to d. Same procedure. Let's solve a few problems. You will come to know what actually this type 2 problem is. First one. Solve y double dash minus 4y dash plus 13 into y is equal to cos 2x. Clearly, this is non-homogeneous. Phi of x is not equal to 0 and type 2 problem because cos 2x clearly takes cos ax form. Therefore, this is a type 2 problem. This can also be written as y double dash, double derivative is d square minus 4 into y dash is d plus 13 into y is equal to cos 2x. And its auxiliary equation is m square minus 4m plus 13 equal to 0. Clearly, this is a quadratic equation whose roots are given by m is equal to minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is equal to minus b. B is minus 4, therefore minus b is plus 4 plus r minus square root of b square. B square is 16. B is minus 4, therefore b square is 16 minus 4ac. A is 1 and c is 13. 4 into 1 into 13 is 52 divided by 2a. A is 1, therefore 2. This is equal to 4 plus r minus square root of minus 36. Square root of minus 36 is 6i. Square root of 36 is 6 and square root of minus 1 is i divided by 2. Therefore, this is equal to, divide both numerator and denominator by 2, you get 2 plus r minus 3i. Complex roots. Complex roots always occur in conjugate pairs. If 2 plus 3i is a root, then 2 minus 3i must be a root. They always occur in conjugate pairs. Now write the complementary solution. You know how to write complementary solution. Y is a function of x. It is denoted by yc is equal to e power a real part times x. Here real part is 2. Therefore e power 2x. C1 into cos imaginary part times x. Here imaginary part is 3. Therefore C1 into cos 3x plus C2 into sin 3x. This is what we call complementary solution with the involvement of arbitrary constants. Next we find a particular integral yp or pi. In either ways you can denote that. Pi is equal to phi of x, that is cos 2x, divided by f of d. F of d is d square minus 4d plus 13. Clearly, this is type 2 particular integral. This is a type 2 particular integral because it takes cos ax form. Therefore, type 2 particular integral, and approach is replace d square by minus a square. Replace d square by, here a is coefficient of x, that is 2. Therefore, replace d square by minus 2 square, that is minus 4. Now we shall evaluate this particular integral. Cos 2x divided by d square minus 4d plus 13. Yes, let's find this particular integral. Replace d square by minus a square, that is minus 4. What happens here? Cos 2x as it is. This d square is replaced by minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4d plus 13. You just replace d square. D square by minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4d plus 13. Or this can be written as minus 4 plus 13 is 9 minus 4d, or minus 4d plus 9. In either ways, you can write that. Minus 9 minus 4d. Cos 2x divided by, replace d square by minus 4, you get 9 minus 4d. Now rationalize the denominator. Cos 2x divided by 9 minus 4d. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize means multiply by its conjugate and divide by its conjugate. Conjugate of 9 minus 4d is 9 plus 4d. Multiply by 9 plus 4d and divide by 9 plus 4d. Resultant will be 9 into cos 2x. Multiply these two. 9 into cos 2x. 9 cos 2x plus 4 into d of cos 2x. 4 into d of cos 2x. This term 4 into d of cos 2x divided by, it takes a minus b into a plus b form. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. That is 9 square is 81 minus 4d square is 16d square. Therefore, this is equal to 9 cos 2x as it is plus 4d cos 2x. 4 into d means d by dx. D means d stands for d by dx cos 2x. Therefore, 4 into d by dx of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x. Or this can be written as 4 into minus 2 minus 8 sin 2x. Minus 8 sin 2x. And denominator is 81 minus 16d square. Replace d square by minus 4. Replace d square by minus 4. Therefore, 9 cos 2x plus minus 8 sin 2x divided by 81 minus into minus plus 16 into 4 is 64. 81 plus 64 is 145. This is particular integral r y p. Now write the general solution. General solution is given by yc plus yp. You do not forget to write this. This is compulsory. Y is equal to yc plus yp. Substitute both yc and yp. This is yc plus yp. This is yp. You make a note of this. If you have any doubts, you please unmute yourselves and ask. If you have doubts, do not hesitate to ask. Here we rationalize because we do not have the value to substitute for d. Therefore, we Rationalize. As you rationalize, you get d square, and d square can be replaced by minus 4. That is the purpose of that rationalization. Next, solve y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Similar problem. This can be written as y double dash. Y double dash is d square. Double derivative is d square minus 3 into y dash is minus 3d plus 2 into y, and we can write 2 sin x into cos x as sin 2x. This is a known expression. Sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. Clearly this is non-homogeneous because phi of x is not equal to 0, and type 2 because phi of x is a trigonometric function. Therefore this is type 2 differential equation. First we write the auxiliary equation, that is m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. This is a simple quadratic equation. Everyone can factorize this. M is equal to 1 comma 2. We get m is equal to 1 and m is equal to 2. Both the roots are real and distinct. Rule number 1 is applicable. Therefore, complementary solution yc is equal to c1 into e power mx. M is 1, therefore 1 into x, x. c1 into e power x plus c2 into e power 2x. This is complementary solution. Next we write particular integral or yp. Particular integral or yp. This is equal to sin 2x divided by phi of x divided by f of d. F of d is d square minus 3d plus 2. And this is type 2 integral. Therefore, approach is replace d square by minus a square. Here a is 2. Therefore, replace by minus 2 square. 2 square is 4. What you get in the denominator is this d square is replaced by minus 4 minus 3d plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 minus 3d. It is written here minus 2 plus 3d. We do not have the value to substitute in place of d. Therefore, we rationalize this denominator. Rationalize it. Sin 2x divided by minus 2 minus 3d. Its conjugate is minus 2 plus 3d. Multiply by minus 2 plus 3d and divide by minus 2 plus 3d. Let's multiply these two. Minus 2 into sin 2x minus 2 sin 2x plus 3 into d of sin 2x. 3 into d of sin 2x. It's written here. 3 into d of sin 2x. Now denominator takes a minus b into a plus b form, that can be written as a square. That is minus 2 whole square is 4. Minus b square is 9d square. A square minus b square. Therefore, this is equal to minus 2 sin 2x minus 2 sin 2x plus 3 into d stands for d by dx. D by dx of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x divided by replace d square by minus 4. What you get here is minus 4 into minus 9 is 36. 36 plus 4, 40. Here 2 is common in both numerator and denominator. We can divide both numerator and denominator by 2. What you get here is 3 into cos 2x minus sin 2x divided by 20. Divide both numerator and denominator by 2. This is minus sin 2x. Okay. Now write general solution yc plus yp. Is this clear? Okay. Third one. Find the particular integral of dq plus 1 into y is equal to cos 2x minus 1. Only particular integral is to be determined, not general solution. If you are asked to solve the differential equation, then you have to find both particular integral, complementary solution, and sum of both particular and complementary solution. That is what we call general solution. But in this case, only particular integral is to be determined. Find the particular integral of dq plus 1 into y is equal to cos 2x minus 1. No IC is required. Yp is equal to phi of x, that is cos 2x minus 1, divided by dq plus 1 f of d, phi of x divided by f of d. Clearly this is type 2 particular integral because cos 2x minus 1, it takes cos ax plus b form. Therefore this is type 2. Approach is replace d square by minus a square. Here a is 2, coefficient of x is a is 2, therefore minus a square is 2 square 4. Replace d square by minus 4. This is equal to cos 2x minus 1 dq plus 1. Dq plus 1 can be written as d square into d plus 1. D cube is d square into 1, where d square is replaced by minus 4. Therefore we get minus 4d plus 1 or 1 minus 4d. In either ways you can write that. Now rationalize this denominator. Cos 2x minus 1 divided by minus 4d plus 1. Its conjugate is minus 4d minus 1 minus 4d minus 1. Multiply by minus 4d minus 1 divided by minus 4d minus 1. Now simplify. This is equal to minus 4 into this minus 4 into d of cos 2x minus 1. D means d by dx. D by dx of cos 2x minus 1 is minus 2 sine 2x minus 1. Minus 4 into derivative of cos 2x minus 1 is minus 2 sine 2x minus 1 minus cos 2x minus 1 as it is. Minus cos 2x minus 1. That's what I have written here. 8 sine 2x minus 1. Minus 4 into minus 2 is 8 sine 2x minus 1 minus cos 2x minus 1. And the denominator takes a plus b into a minus b for, that is a square minus b square. Minus 4d whole square is 16d square minus 1 square is 1. This is equal to minus 8 sine 2x minus 1 minus cos 2x minus 1 as it is, and replace d square by minus 4. This is type 2 integral. Therefore, throughout this integral, we replace d square by minus 4. Minus 4 into 16 is minus 64. Minus 64 minus 1 is minus 65. This is the particular integral. If you divide both numerator and denominator by a negative sign, you get this answer. This problem appeared twice in the past examination. If it's over, we can move to the next problem. Next. Solve d square minus d plus 1 into y is equal to sin x. Solve d square minus d plus 1 into y is equal to sin x. Clearly, this is type 2 problem. This is because phi of x is not equal to 0, non-homogeneous. And phi of x is a trigonometric function, type 2 problem. Its auxiliary equation is m square. Replace d square by m square minus d by m plus 1 equal to 0. This is auxiliary equation. Now find the roots. M is given by minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is equal to minus b. Here b is minus 1. Therefore, minus b is plus 1 plus r minus square root of b square. B is minus 1. Therefore, b square is plus 1 minus 4 into ac. A is 1. M square coefficient is a. And c is 1. That is constant divided by 2. This is equal to 1 plus r minus square root of minus 3. That can be written as I into root 3 divided by 2. Square root of minus 3. Square root of minus 3 is square root of minus 1 into square root of 3. And square root of minus 1 is plus r minus I into root 3. Therefore, we have two roots here, complex roots. 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2 and the other root is 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. Now write the complementary solution corresponding to these two complex roots. Real part is 1 by 2, correct? Real part is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And imaginary part is root 3 by 2. Here imaginary part is root 3 by 2. Therefore, yc is equal to e power real part times x. That is x into 1 by 2, x by 2. Some constant, arbitrary constant c1 into cos, imaginary part times x. Here imaginary part is root 3 divided by 2. Make it root 3 divided by 2. c1 into cos root 3 by 2 x plus c2 into sin root 3 by 2 x. This is the complementary solution. E power x by 2 into c1 cos root 3 by 2x plus c2 sin root 3 by 2x. Next, particular integral Ryp. This is always equal to phi of x divided by f of d. Phi of x divided by f of d. Here phi of x is sin x. Sin x divided by f of d. What is f of d? D square minus d plus 1. Therefore, sin x divided by d square minus d plus 1. Clearly, this is type 2 particular integral. Therefore, approach is replace d square by minus a square. Replace d square by minus a square. What is a here? Coefficient of x is 1. Therefore, minus 1. Replace d square by minus 1. Therefore, replace d square by minus 1 minus d plus 1. This will be the denominator. D square is minus 1 minus d plus 1. Cancel this minus 1 with this plus 1. You get sin x divided by minus d. Sin x divided by minus d. This is equal to minus into d stands for d by dx. This capital letter D stands for d by dx and 1 by d stands for integral. You keep this in mind. Capital D stands for d by dx and 1 by d stands for integral. That is integral of sin x into dx. This is equal to minus integral of sin x is minus cos x. Minus into minus plus cos x. This is the particular integral. ಇದನ್ನು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್, 1/d ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್. Make a note of this. If you find any difficulties, you can ask them. If it is over, we can move to the next problem. Next, solve d square y by dx square plus dy by dx is equal to cos x. This is another simple problem. Solve d square y by dx square plus dy by dx is equal to cos x. This can also be written as this double derivative is d square plus dy by dx is d is equal to cos x. Its auxiliary equation is m square plus m is equal to 0. M square plus m is equal to 0. M is common in both the terms. You take m as common factor. What you get within the brackets is m plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, either m is equal to 0 or m plus 1 is equal to 0. M plus 1 is equal to 0 means m is equal to minus 1. Both the roots are real and distinct. Therefore, complementary solution is rule number 1 is applicable. C1 into e power 0 times x. E power 0 is 1 plus C2 into e power mx. M is minus 1 minus x. C1 plus C2 into e power minus x. This is what we call complementary solution or YC. Now write particular integral YP. YP is phi of x divided by f of d. Phi of x is cos x divided by f of d is d square plus d. Cos x d square plus d. Clearly, this is type 2 integral because cos x trigonometric function and approach is replace d square by minus a square. Replace d square by minus a square. Here a is minus 1. That's what I have written here. Cos x divided by d square plus d. Replace d square by minus 1 and resultant will be cos x divided by d, and this d square is replaced by minus 1 divided by d minus 1 or minus 1 plus d. In either ways you can write that. Cos x divided by d minus 1. Now we shall rationalize this. Cos x divided by d minus 1 multiply by its conjugate divided by its conjugate. Conjugate of d minus 1 will be d plus 1 multiply by d plus 1 divided by d plus 1. D stands for d by dx. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x plus 1 into cos x is cos x divided by denominator takes a minus b into a plus b for it can be written as a square minus b square, that is d square minus 1, and again replace d square by minus 1. Therefore, minus sin x plus cos x divided by replace d square by minus 1, we get minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Or this can be written as sin x minus cos x divided by plus 2. That is yp. Now write the general solution. General solution is yc plus yp. Y is equal to yc plus yp, that is general solution. Make a note of this. Next one. Solve y double dash plus 9y is equal to cos 2x into cos x. Y double dash plus 9y is equal to cos 2x into cos x. This can be written as y double dash, double derivative is d square plus 9 into y is equal to, it takes cos a into cos b form. What is cos a into cos b? It is half into cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Cos a cos b is half into cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Therefore, half into cos a plus b is 2x plus x, 3x. Plus cos a minus b is 2x minus x is x. Half into cos 3x plus cos x, or you can write it as half into cos 3x plus half into cos x. Its auxiliary equation is m square plus 9 is equal to 0, or m square is equal to minus 9. M square is equal to minus 9. Therefore, m is equal to plus or minus 3i. Square root of minus 9 is plus or minus 3i. Both the roots are complex roots. Therefore, yc is equal to e power real part times x. Here real part is 0. Therefore, e power 0 into x, that is 1. C1 into cos imaginary part is 3x plus C2 into sin 3x. This is yc. C1 into cos 3x plus C2 into sin 3x. Now write particular integral. Particular integral is phi of x divided by f of d. Half into cos 3x divided by d square plus 9. Half into cos 3x divided by d square plus 9. Plus half into cos x divided by d square plus 9. Half into cos x divided by d square plus 9. We have two parts. Let's do it separately. P1 plus P2. You take it as P1 plus P2. The session will be terminated now. You immediately rejoin for another 15 minutes. Half into cos 3x divided by d square plus 9 plus half into cos x divided by d square plus 9. Let it be P1 plus P2. Do not mark your attendance now. I will not upload this chat box.